मैं बोलूँ कि ये बॉडी पे दुखता है।
Just go back once. एक पीछे जा last वाला फोटो. You guys zoom on her face. See, I don't get the light on the dress नीचे. I want that light on the dress. Yeah, keep it like that. अगर वो नहीं हो रहा है ना तो what we will do is we'll just add the opticals note. Hold there. Chin down, okay? Chin down a little more. That's good. I will need some other pose because I don't want to see your underwears. Right? So let's pose it in such a way that we...
Imagine now our
Promise them.
is also red. You know that because
Okay. Now it looks sexy, okay? Let's not do those movements. Keep it very straight first, okay? Ready? हाँ, अभी आ रहा है. Ready? And 3, 2, 1. Whatever you like, you can do now. Beautiful. And 3, 2, 1. Stop there. On the outer part. Little more like this. Yeah, that's good. That's nice. Stay right there. Somebody just fix the bow. Make it very straight and nice, okay? But I want to see your heels. How do we do that now? Chin down, little more. Hold up there. It's not looking like a part of it. You're getting it.
do you want to change it to just you Ranveer? Because these are not like just as a seamless panties. These are literally like underwear.
I know,
T-shirt.
I know.
So
So let's see these pictures once. एक second. Beautiful. I love this. इसका पावर बढ़ा दे बस, ठीक है? Let's go one last time. Beautiful. I love this, Ingrid. Stay. Get little more lazy, little lazy. Just laze your face little more. That makes it look very gaudy though. Not so gaudy. Not so gaudy. Okay, you play around with this. Just keep that leg part there and then let's go. Whatever you like. Aja. Oh, this last one is very nice. Yeah. I think we got all the straighter shots, na?
Yeah.
Now let her do her thing, yeah? Let's not stop her. This by the light को थोड़ा सा side से लेना हल्का सा. अभी now we'll do this. Blow dry it now. Yeah, let's try this. Few pitches. Just come in with this side. Yeah, let's go. In 3, 2, 1. Very good. 1 by 5.6 है ना?
5.6 1/60.
Okay, guys. Okay, ready? Hold up there. 1 second. Sorry about that. Oh, I like that. I like that. Do that once again. Bend a little more, yeah. Only bend your right leg, okay? Yeah, that's good. Nice. Then take it back. Take it back.
When we doing the close-up, because I think we've got this full में.
Okay.
Whenever we're switching to close-ups, I want the hair to go back.
Okay, cool.
ठीक है? So
क्या बोला? Maybe going like. Oh, this is also nice.
yeah.
Stay like that. Stay like that the way you are. Don't move 1 second. Wow. Just come one step forward. That's about it. हल्का सा और yes.
So done line. Take it through, honey. Can you cover the other knee? Yeah, and now do this. हाँ, like let that be. Like let it be थोड़ा naturally sitting. दोनों करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
बांटो से ना बस लाइट को नीचे देना बस.
Weird to be.
Let's see, 1 second. Let me just set the lighting once. This lighting will look nice. Okay, now switch on this one on a dress. Only on a dress, not on a face, huh? Bas. छोड़ दे. Stay the way you are. Stay like that, and then you're actually holding your dress like that. We can do that. No, now we can show our underwear properly. Then hold this ribbon. Wow, gorgeous. I love this. Stay. Chin down, little more. Let's make her look like a package, you know. Stay right there. Hold there. I love this. Beautiful. Man. Gorgeous. Amazing. Now I want this to be a little more sexier. Also, I think we'll have to just go back home this part a little more. ना ये थोड़ा अब अजीब सा लग रहा है. इसको थोड़ा ठीक कर लो आप. Just back home this part a little more. अच्छे से कर लो. Just do it redo once.
You wanna cut you want?
No, I think we're good with this look, huh?
I think I'm good. I'm also good. I just want to do a few close-up and then we are done.
Yeah.
I love this. Chin up little. Peter, I think still has, she has. वो दिखा देने का. Yeah, this is odd. This is it, right? Little more side. No. Other side. Yeah. Move and chin up a little more. That's about it. Yeah. So वो लेना अपना. Where's the fan? Fan. Get the fan on. All right. Just breeze on your face, okay? Just breeze on your face and then you can do that movement. Yeah, I like that, okay? More feel. I want to be able to see all of it. More feel. Chin up a little more. Only eyes towards me. And rude. Very rude. I like this. The bitchy eyes, yeah? Stay there. 3, 2, 1 and go. Little more side. That's nice. Chin down little. That's like it. And while you at it, right under your bust, okay? Hold it tighter. Arch your back. That's good. That's nice. That's good. Love this. Hold there. Little more attitude on your face. Look at me. Man, gorgeous. I just love the way she's looking. Stay. Keep looking sideways. Keep looking there. Little more. I love this. Just work with the lips. Amazing, man. Hold there. Hold, okay? Stay the way you are. Don't move. Hold there. इसलिए ना साइड से उसके पास पैसे चेहरे पे मार एक हटा इसको इसके चेहरे से हटा इसके हाथ में दे ओनली ऑन अ हैंड हियर थोड़ा वो साइड आ जाओ एंड गिव मी दिस थिंग ऑल्सो स्टार फिल्टर नहीं देख वो है ना ऐसे ऊपर भी जा उसको नीचे कर और उसको है ना लाइट को और ऊपर करके इसके सर के पीछे मार थोड़ा टेढ़ा कर ऐसे दोनों बाहर कर ले और ऑफ कर दे उनको बाहर करके ऑफ कर देगा इसका पावर कितना है पीछे वाले का ओके नाउ दिस इज नाइस वाओ अभी जो आ रहा है ना बहुत अच्छा आ रहा है तू हटना कर और बस वैसे रख वैसे रहे टिल डाउन कर दे बस हल्का सा and get lot of mannequin shots, okay, like as if you have to act like a mannequin, look like a mannequin, okay? Chin down little, not so much. Chin up little more. Yeah, that's stay like that. Oh wow, देखना कितना अच्छा लग रहा है. Okay guys, the moment she moves this side, no, then I want that light on her face. Then we need some light on her face. Yeah, or else you figure that out that wherever she's moving, you move that light along with her. So what you do is just there is a top light, and if you can get it more on her face, the moment she goes like this, the light is we are losing the light. Every time she doesn't have option, but she has to do this only. If you can just move that light little more diagonal. No, this is too much I feel, but हाँ डन ठीक है इसमें ग्रिड लगा ले और वो फिर स्ट्रिप निकाल दे वो तो बस ग्रिड रख तब जाओ इधर देखे ओनली फेस पे लाइट देने के that going 2 1 and go. Also when you do that, you'll have to just tilt your body. Do that pose. Tilt your body towards this side. Then more. Yeah, that's good. Now do that pose. That's about it. Somebody fix the outfit. No, she'll do it. That's good. Thoda a little more this side. That's about it. Yeah. Take. Hold that. Light. Just come inside a little more. Walk towards this side. That's about it. A little more body this side. That's good. Stay. Super good. Chin up. Yeah, it's good. Stay. Keep working around that. 1 second. Just stay the way. Just pose the way you are. Yeah. So keep your legs straighter only. Yeah. Stay right. Keep it under your chin. I love it. Just move it like this, okay? While we are shooting, right? Play with that. Okay. Let's go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Straight up. That's about it. 3, 2, 1 and go. Very nice. Oh, I like that. I like that. What you were doing was that very nice. Do that.
But if your leg out, using the leg is very important. जो पहले कैसे ऊपर लेते हैं, like when we sitting also it goes on the body like.
वैसा चाहिए.
हाँ, ये अच्छा लगता
Hold there.
है.
I like this. If you could bend it a little more, the body look really nice, and somebody will have to fix her outfit when she does that. Okay, let's go. Yeah, do that. Chin up. That's good. Oh, I love this. Hold there. Stay the way you are. Do that once again. Okay. Ready? This. Chin up a little more. Awesome. Stay right there.
I like that better.
Let's go. Stay like that. How about? Yeah, I want that looking there completely. क्या करेगा? Come कर दे पाँव. Come कर दे पाँव. Love this. Hold there. Don't smile now. That's good. Look there. Look at this light. Yeah, just keep looking at that. Stay right there. And now only eyes towards me. I love it. Pose, okay? How about you sit down like this? Side, complete side. Stay. This is good. Stay. As if you're crawling, okay? I want you to crawl a little more. Yeah? Just put your face out. Take this out, please. I love this. Okay, now how about stay? क्या नहीं है? बता. Hold there. Okay, now look down. Look there. Yeah, that's all. एकदम हल्का पूरा पीछे मत करो. बस that's about it. Leave it there. Stay right there. Okay, now we're done with that. Let's do this. Stay like that. Come forward, straighter, and now spread your legs and sit down like this. Yeah. That's good. Stay like that. Okay. Keep your legs, hands like this. Yeah. Not interested. I do not want you to look interested at all. Top light. Face straighter. Face. Yeah, that's good. Good. And now, could you get your right leg towards me? Move the legs towards me. No. You are like this, right? And then gotta be like this. Pull it in more, little more. Little more inside. See, look at my legs. Both my legs are very close to my body. Yeah, that's good, but just keep it in the air. Yeah. But you'll have to get a little more closer. You have to close the body. You can manage. Ready? You'll have to get your body a little more towards me. Quite difficult, huh? You'll have to get your legs a little more inside. Close it in, close it in a little more. Yeah, let's go. Now do that. Perfect. नहीं दिखेगा रुको भाई. मैं बस 1-2 शॉट क्लोजअप ले रहा हूँ, फिर I'll go wide. कुछ अच्छा लगेगा. This one. These are very nice.
This snow is very messy.
ठीक है. Wow. Baba, light on the face, just take a. I love this better. Hold there. Stay. Okay. Just sit normal. Close your body. Yeah. Stay right there. Okay. Let's just do this. How about just normally sit down? Don't keep your legs like that. Yeah. Just stay there. No. That's also not really. Please. Towards yourself. Just go back, one step back. Yeah, that's about it. And now do that. Hold it there. How about this? Hold, okay?
Cross that leg on the other
We
side.
stayed up till the morning.
Yeah, that's good. Let's say. Stay on 1 second. Let me just take a shot. Hold that. Stay. Yeah. Hold there.
It hit me so hard.
Face straighter.
I'm so sorry, girl, I didn't mean to.
Face straighter. Hold there.
I done messed it up again.
Hold, okay? Stay.
I'm sorry if I crossed the line.
Very good. Or something else. Stay. This is nice. Hold there.
Supposed to do right now. Baby, I
Same thing. Keep your legs inside. Yeah, that's good.
for you. What I would do for you to
1 second, yeah?
love me too. For you to love me too. Try to tell what you were thinking, what you might feel for me. And I know that we've been out drinking. Maybe this ain't for real.
बांडो ही ले ले, बांडो से ना हाथ से लाइट दे और साइड में दे बस. It should not affect that lighting what we are doing. इधर साइड से और मेरे को ना वो दे दे, बीच वाला स्प्लिट दे दे. हाँ बस ठीक है. I love this. Stay the way you are. Throw the that other pose you showing. Yeah, who has the pose? The photo is. I find this one nicer. At least, but yeah, this is nice, this is nice. Hold on, hold on. Okay, this time straight up. Yeah, that's good. Now bow, complete side. Stay that, yeah, stay. That's good. Keep your hands down. Yeah, stay. Light is not falling on the face. Stay, is it? Falling on the face. Stay. Love that. Stay. Keep looking at it, keep looking at it. Very nice. Hold. One leg up, one leg front, one leg back. Oh, I like that. I like that. Oh, look. Can you? Now just the face, okay? Put your hair back. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2. That's about it. Okay. Hold on. Just more side, more side, more side, more side, more side. Yeah, that's good. And then, how about you do it from the other side? This is this side, yeah. And now look at the lenses. Let the hair be on your face. That's good. Just little more body towards me. That's about it. Get your body towards me a little more. Stay right there. Same way. Stay right there. Keep your chin like this. That's good. 1 second. Just a little more, little more. Little more body this side. Yeah. That's very nice. One little. That's like it. That's like it. Give me a dead face. Dead face. Dead face. Non-impressive. That's good. Keep it more non-impressive. Hold there. Okay. Don't go back so much. Don't go back so much. Come forward. That's good. That's like it. Okay. And now look at me. Look at me. Straight looking towards me and smile. Same. 3, 2, 1, and go. Smile. I love that laughter. You, man, what a smile. I love this. Gorgeous. Very nice. Just keep it more hugging. Just hug yourself a little more. That's like it. That's like it. Chin down a little more.